Removing the teak staffs is easier when you use a drill hammer with a chisel attachment. Move the chisel into the wood and try to prevent drilling into gel coat. Don't push too hard. Let the hammer do the work. It works out pretty well. Now you can take care about remaining wood pieces and glue. Grab a multi-tool with spatula attachment and remove the remaining pieces. The next step is now either sanding the gel coat properly or closing the holes of the screws to seal the sandwich stick. Check out our next videos.